About 380,000 years after the Big Bang, the universe cooled enough for electrons and protons to combine into neutral atoms. This marked the release of the CMB, the oldest light in the universe, often described as the afterglow of the Big Bang. They found a persistent background noise that was uniform in all directions and had a blackbody spectrum consistent with the predicted temperature of the CMB. Look here! These minor temperature variations, depicted here as varying shades of blue and purple, are linked to slight density variations in the early universe. These variations are believed to have given rise to the structures that populate the universe today. Clusters of galaxies. What plays the role of holding these galaxies together is a different type of matter. II Section 0.5 Dark matter. Until next time.